bang on your face. Out here, early in the morning, ain't nobody chasing me or anything. But anyways, boys out here early in the morning. What's up? Huh? Yeah. How that? How you like that? Anyways, good morning everybody. Just saying what's up. To all those I ain't called, to all those I haven't seen, I miss you. I will call. And I'm out here getting some breakfast from Stop and Shop. Some frosted flakes and some frosted mini wheats. I'm out here just cooling. It's very nice today, but it's kind of chilly. Got my long johns on. Don't say, he got out a sweatsuit. Yes, underneath. You want to see what's underneath? To all the ladies. I'm fucking with you. Anyways, I do have on long johns because I thought it was easier to slip this on real quick and bust out to the stove. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, it's peaceful in the morning. That's why I've been busting it lately. Just want to say hello to everybody. Happy birthday again to my Jemiah. Jemiah, happy birthday from Uncle. I love you. I'm out, y'all. Y'all have a good Saturday. And in the streets is gonna be back. You know, nighttime is the right time. 1.